Hey guys, good morning. So yeah, today we woke up a little early and now we are going to Palashbari. We have quite a few members with us. We have Nathaniel, who's like the X factor today. He has never done such a distance, and Palashbari is 24 kilometers from here, and it's towards the airport side, the new way to airport. So I'll take you along. Keep watching. Hey guys, so we just crossed the airport lane and now we are going straight to Palashbari. But we'll take a small break here for 10 minutes and then we'll move ahead. We prefer to go slow and easy, so just a small break here. Guys, we just entered Palashbari and another 3-4 kilometers to reach our destination. And these roads are amazing, man. Like, how to say, it's like so less traffic and all. I think it's in the morning, so that's what it's very less traffic, but let's see while coming back. Eitu Saksun, kenne dhunia, it's just so beautiful. Like, I'm so proud to be like from this place, man. Like, come on, this kind of greenery, these kind of scenes, like, wow. So just reaching Palashbari, I see a small market here. Fresh vegetables all around. Whoa, the aroma, the smell. ভাল লাগি যায় দেই এনেকে ফ্ৰেছ চব্জি দেখা পালে ভেন্দি পানীলাও ৰঙালাও কোমোৰা কল বাপৰে জ্বলা বঢ়িয়া তে আমি দলং এখন পাইছোঁ এতিয়া দলংখন পাৰ কৰি অলপ আগেদি ৰাইট ল'ব লাগিব আমি তো just crossing this bridge you can see a Bibha Bhavan out there wait you'll see on the left yes that's the one yes so now we'll take a right from here and we are almost there now. So after taking the right, we came like 1 kilometer towards the riverside, and whoa! Look at this, guys! Wow! So bhagor gusi gol. Looks so good. Like, I'm so proud that I belong from this magical, beautiful state, Assam. Wow! Look at the view here. And people are saying that we can spot some river dolphins out here. Let's see our luck. You're not. How is the place, bro? Shiv, কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে তোৰ ট্ৰেকখন চলাই আছে হা লাগাটো চাই ৰিফ্ৰেছ লাগা নাই নেকি So we reached Azara and we are stopping for some fresh coconut water. It really refreshes us from within. Oh, no, দাম কিমান দিম?
40 টাকা। এটা বেয়া পাবি না। 50 টাকা এটা 50 টাকা দাম।
হ্যাঁ?
50 টাকা পিস।
50 টাকা? 40 টাকা রাখবো। 40 টাকা কৈ দিছে আৰু। হ'ব দে এতিয়া।
এটা গুৱাহাটী 70 টাকা দিকে।
গুৱাহাটীত তাকো কৈছে 40 টাকা দিম।
গুৱাহাটীত 4000 টাকা।
কি কয়? আমাক আজি ইমান কষ্ট কৰি আছে বুলি দিয়ক আৰু।
4000 টাকা লয় গুৱাহাটীত। 40 টাকা পৰি গেল।
মোক প্ৰথমতে কৈছে 40 টাকা। মই কৈছো 40।
নাৰিকলৰ হিচাপ কৰি আছো দুটা। সুধি নলাই দিয়া। নাৰিকলৰ হিচাপ কৰি আছো। এতিয়া কথা হৈছে ভালকে তই আনিবি আশা কৰি মন নেকি? মই এইটো কম দাম দে তই দে পাবি। সেইকাৰণে কৈছো তই ডাক্তৰ এনেকুৱা 30 টাকাই দিছ।
সেইটো ORS দি আছা নভৰি হা লাগাই নাই হ্যাঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে ঠিক আছে মই এতিয়া লাহে লাহে দিম সেইকাৰণে এইখিনি পলাশবাৰী কেনেকুৱা লাগিল পলাশবাৰী
Very good, very easy ride.
This got
5 kgs and I did it.
Yes,
This is
bro.
my second 50.
And I think this is gonna be more than 60, I guess, today.
Yeah, today more than 60 I guess. Today
Lovely,
it's
bro.
gonna be around 60.
Around 60, yes, bro.
I can do it.
Yes.
If I can do it, everybody can do it.
If he can do it, everybody can do it.
And I'm 145 kgs. But there is one person who cannot do it. Naam kyun liya? And guys, we have reached Maligaon, heading back home now. And I think this is the last video with my GoPro Hero 6 because it got damaged, and this is the most video voiceover. So I hope I get a new GoPro or camera or anything and just do get going with the vlogs. See you guys, keep watching. Chalo, see you. Pictures bila pathai dim. Oh, pathai dim. Pictures bila pathai dim. Congratulations on 60, bro. Abe dangor achievement nare. Chal, bye bye. Hey guys, so I've reached home now, and with this I would like to end the Palashbari vlog. I hope you guys go to that place. It's a really beautiful place. You guys should go, make a trip, enjoy, and do keep watching. I think I'll be coming back with my vlogs when I get a new camera, but till then, take care guys. Bye bye. Doo-doo.